Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to find the area of red colored circle if A and B are centers of circle and semicircle. Let radius of semicircle as capital R and radius of circle is simple r. So then we have capital R equal twice simple r because the diameter of circle is equal to radius of the semicircle. This also r, and BC is r because BC is radius of circle. So this is r. Now we can consider BCD right angle triangle. So this is simple r, this is 2, this is capital R. Now we can write the Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. R square equal simple r square plus 2 square. We know r equal to r. Now we can replace capital R by simple 2r square equal r square plus 4. Here 4r square equal r square plus 4. 3r square equal 4 and r square equal 4 divided by 3. Area of circle equal 5 r square. R square is 4 divided by 3. So area equal 5 into 4 divided by 3. So area of circle is 5 4 5 divided by 3. This is the answer.